Welcome to Bet 5. Most players think Baccarat has no real advantage, that everything is random. And while that's partially true, there is one hidden advantage almost every beginner ignores. And it has nothing to do with betting systems. Let's explore it. Most players focus on banker, player, tie, but they completely ignore the biggest advantage in the game, decision timing. When you choose to enter the game matters more than what you choose, because entering at the wrong time leads to forced decisions, emotional reactions, and unnecessary losses. There are moments when the table is too random, too inconsistent, or changing too quickly. In these moments, players feel pressure to do something, so they bet anyway, and that's where most losses happen. Not from bad predictions, but from entering bad situations. Good players wait for slight structure, short trends, or stability in outcomes. They don't need perfect patterns, they just need clarity. Even a small sense of direction reduces emotional betting. Most betting systems fail because they assume control over randomness. But timing doesn't try to control outcomes. It controls exposure. Less exposure equals fewer emotional decisions, equals better long-term survival. That's the real advantage. So the hidden advantage in Baccarat isn't a system, it's patience. Knowing when not to enter the game is often more powerful than knowing what to bet. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Bet 5 for more deep insights and real Baccarat breakdowns, because sometimes the best move is waiting for the right moment.